So if you've just had a total knee replacement, two things that are going to be really important for you are getting your quadricep muscles back and nice and strong. So they're your muscles at the front of your leg or your thigh muscles, as well as getting that range of motion back into your knees, so that bending and straightening. So here are two exercises to target those two things. Now the first thing that you're going to need is a towel like so. And what you're going to do is just roll it up and place that behind your knee, like so, okay? And what you're going to do is squeeze these thigh muscles here and push the back of your knee down into the towel. So you're trying to straighten your knee, and a big push, squeezing these thigh muscles here, and then relax. Big push and squeeze, and then relax. So this is a way that we start firing up those thigh muscles, get everything moving again and nice and strong. That's our first stepping stone. Now the second exercise, what you're going to need is a slider, or you can use a paper towel if you have tiles at home. And what you're going to do is place that under the heel of your foot, and you're going to bend into where you feel comfortable. Now it might not be as far as this if you're just soon after your operation, but to where you feel comfortable, and then sliding back out to, once again, where you feel comfortable with straight. You might only start off with a little movement like so, but the more that you do it and the more the time goes past, you'll be able to get further and further.